Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the last episode, and we're going to be talking more on operators. So let's get started. Go ahead and click your project that we were on in the last episode. And we have all this in here, so we can just go ahead and delete that. And in this video, we're going to be talking about assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. So let's start with assignment operators. So assignment operators look like this. So we could say x is equal to 10 and x plus equals 5. So basically what this is saying is x is equal to x plus 5. So resetting the value of x, which is our variable, to x plus 5. So x is equal to x plus 5. So if we run this, we should get 15. So right click and then hit run. And we forgot to print it. Print x. Okay. Now it should say 15. Right there. Okay, let's comment this. Same with x minus equals 5. So what this is saying is x is equal to x minus 5. So x is equal to x minus 5. Comment that out. Run this, we should get 5. And we do. Same goes with x multiply equals 5. And what this is saying is x is equal to x times 5. So we should get 50. If we run this, 50. Division. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. Print x. You get 2. And with 4 division, 2 forward slashes is equal to 5. So 10, 4 divided by 5, and that value is set to x. So that should be 2 also, but it is an int, not a float. So if we comment this out, x to the power of 5 is equal to x. So 10 to the power of 5 is 100,000, and that value is set to x. We also have the modulus, so x mod 5 is equal to x, so 5 goes into 10 2 times without a remainder, so we should get 0. We do. And we can comment that out. And that's all I have on assignment operators, so let's get started with comparison operators. Okay, so with comparison operators, let's start off with greater than and less than. Okay, so with these greater than and less than symbols, we could say x is equal to 10. Let's declare a new variable. Y is equal to 20. Okay, so x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. So the greater than symbol, we could say print. Actually, let's comment that out. Print x is greater than y. So let's try. X is 10, y is 20. So print. So is x greater than y? So is 10 greater than 20? No. And if we remember the Boolean values, true and false, yes is true, no is false. So is x greater than y? No. If we save, run, false. And then same with less than. 10 is less than 20, so x is less than 20. Run this, we get true because it's true. So this is the greater than and less than. Okay, let's move on to equal to. So the equal to looks like this, 2 equal signs. So let's comment this out. So let's print x equal to y. So what this means is x equal to y. So is 10 equal to 20? No, so this should return false. But if we change this value to 10 and run it, it's true because 10 is equal to 10. Let's change this back. So that is, okay, alright, this is equal to, okay. We also have greater than and equal to, so let's add on to the greater than and equal to. So is x greater than or equal to y? So what this is saying is x greater than or equal to y? So is 10 greater than or equal to 20? No, so false. So is 10 less than or equal to 20? Run. Yes. But also if we change this to 10, it's also equal to, so we also get true. Change this back to 20. Same goes with greater than. You do the same thing. We get false because 10 is not greater than 20. So that's good. Coming out, this is less than, less and greater than, and equal to. Alright, we also have one more with the comparison operators, and this is not equals, and this is what it looks like. It's a exclamation point and an equal sign. So what this means is it is not equal. So let's print x. X is not equal to y. And so what this is asking is x not equal to y? And you'll see 10 does not equal 20. So if we run this, we will get true because 10 does not equal 20. So if we did 10 here, 10 does equal 10, so x does equal y. So this will return false because x does not equal y is not true, so false. And we can comment this out. Not equal to. And this is, once again, the exclamation mark and the equal sign. Okay, so let's move on to logical operators. Okay, so we talked about comparison operators and assignment operators. So let's start with logical operators now. So the first three that I just want to show you real quick are and, or, and not. Okay, so I'm not going to go in depth about these today, but later on we're going to use something called if statements. And in if statements, that's where these are mainly used. So like if statements sort of look like this. So like if x and y, there's, oh, that's a z. If x and y are equal to z, do this, or whatever you want it to do. Okay, and with not, we could say if x and y are not equal to z. We could also do if x or y are not equal. So there's that not. And then we mentioned or, so like if x or y is equal to z, which is this the same. If either x or y is equal to the value of z. So that's and, or not. But the ones that we are going to be talking about today is, and is not. So what is looks like is print x is y. So is x equal to y? So it's 10, 11. 10 does not equal 11, so this is going to return false because x is y is a false statement. So is not would be x is not y. So x is not y is true, so the statement is going to return true. But if we change this back to 10, you'll see this statement returns true and this statement returns false. And there you go. All right, so that's the assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. That's all for this episode. In the next episode, we're going to be talking about if statements. So we're going to be putting the and or not keywords to use. So thank you everybody for watching and have a good day.